I'm very pleased that Franco's being recognized with the Larry Shaben Award. The award was created, of course, in Larry's name because of his work in the community, his leadership, and really a career spent on trying to help other people, and particularly the area of housing. So it's really fitting that Franco's being recognized in this way.
Franco, 5 years ago, you and I and a few others started this journey together called the Boyle Renaissance Project. It was an important initiative for the YMCA and Capital Region Housing and for the Mayor and City Council. It was an initiative that, quite frankly, had the opportunity to transform the east side of our downtown.
Franco associates very much with all levels of people in our society, and he saw a very definite need. Homelessness is a chronic problem, or has been a chronic problem in Edmonton for a long time. And Franco saw this, and in putting his vision together, he saw not just an apartment building for people to get less than market cost housing. He saw the Family Resource Center and the Child Care Center and the Community Center all coming together so that it is truly a village. It's not just an apartment building.
You know, Franco had a way of helping all of us push ourselves. He had a way of asking questions that had the greatest respect, but at the same time, he was really able to push all of our envelopes. And I think it came as a result of the immense respect that we all had for the man underneath all of it. The integrity, the authenticity, the genuine commitment that was there. Those questions you didn't want to feel defensive. They felt like they were being asked for the right reason. And so as a result, again, that would lead to the kinds of conversations that really needed to be had.
I really appreciated working with Franco on the leadership committee to end homelessness, and really throughout the last several years when we've started to implement the plan. That was a tough undertaking, and doing a 10-year plan to end homelessness really challenges a community and the people around the table to think about the problem of homelessness and what kind of solutions we would need to come up with to address it. And you know, Franco was never afraid to ask the hard questions. And he certainly has understood that some of the answers to those questions were going to take a lot of courage, and he certainly has demonstrated that.
For me, the very first time when I met him and he asked the tough question of me is, what can the city do to help me get a Y built downtown? And I had no idea. And then he said, you know, we can work in collaboration, we can be a partnership, we can work with the University of Alberta, there could be funding, it could be land, and he always had great solutions for what could be a problem. So when he asked the tough question, not only did he know what kind of an answer he wanted, he helped you move forward with that right answer.
If there's one thing that I think Franco brings to the table is a personality, a demeanor, and always a big smile. He has a character and a sense of individualism that really does begin to influence the attitudes around the table.
Franco and Barb are great cooks. They're great hosts when you go to their house, but the thing that's really interesting about Franco is that during our board meetings, we have 4 board meetings a year. We start at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we break about 6 o'clock, and we have a wonderful Italian meal right down to the tiramisu or whatever we're going to have for dessert. And that's something that we are truly going to miss now that Franco's retired.
I have not had the good fortune. Franco and Barbara, I need a meal.
I don't know anything about Franco's cooking, but I certainly hope that I'm going to get to hear more about it. I'm quite jealous to think of people getting probably great Italian meals, and I'm missing out on it.
On behalf of Homer Trust and the community, Franco, congratulations on receiving the Larry Shaben Award.